If Google Chrome is showing error code 1, don't worry, in this video I'm going to walk you through a few proven fixes step by step so you can get Chrome updating and working again without losing your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. This issue is usually caused by corrupted Chrome files, stalled Google update services, conflicting extensions, or damaged update folders on your PC. So stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial you should have a much clearer path to fixing it. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next fix. Alright, let's start with the easiest and safest method first, reinstalling Chrome over the existing version. This is not a full uninstall, so you do not need to remove Chrome manually before trying it. First, close all running Google Chrome windows. To make sure nothing is still active in the background, you can also open Task Manager and end any Chrome processes you see there. Once Chrome is completely closed, go to the official Google Chrome download page and download the newest installer file. After the installer finishes downloading, run it. The important part here is that you do not need to uninstall your current version first. The installer will overwrite damaged or missing program files while keeping your personal data safe. That means your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and other sync data should remain intact. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear error code 1 if the problem was caused by a corrupted Chrome installation. If Chrome still is not working properly, the next thing to check is the Google Update services on Windows. These services are responsible for keeping Chrome updated in the background, and if they are disabled or stuck, Chrome may fail with update-related errors. To fix this, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and look for Google Update Service, also known as GUpdate. You may also see another related service, often called Google Update Service Internal or GUpdatem. Right-click each one, choose Properties, and then look for the Startup Type option. Change it to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start to launch it. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Once both update services are enabled, go back and try launching Chrome again. You can also open Chrome and go to Help, then About Google Chrome. This forces Chrome to check for updates, so if the services were the problem, the update process may start working normally again. Now let's move on to another very common cause, conflicting extensions. Certain extensions, especially ones that manage files, sync data, or have administrative permissions, can interfere with Chrome's update checks. A good example is a Google Drive-related extension, but any extension could potentially be the problem if it is behaving badly. To test this, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all active extensions. Don't delete them yet, just disable them temporarily so you can test whether one of them is causing the issue. Once they are all off, go back to Help and then About Google Chrome and see if the update triggers successfully. If Chrome starts updating properly after disabling extensions, then one of those add-ons was likely causing the error. In that case, you can turn them back on one at a time to find the culprit. This is a great way to isolate the problem without removing everything permanently. If the error still continues, the next fix is to clear Chrome's local update folders inside AppData. Sometimes corrupted installer cache files can get stuck there and prevent Chrome from updating correctly. To do this, close Google Chrome completely again. Then press Windows key and R, and in the Run box paste this path, %local appdata %\Google. Once that folder opens, look for the update folder and delete it. If you see any other Chrome-related temporary update files or folders that look related to the AppData cache, you can remove those as well. This step helps force Chrome to rebuild clean update files the next time it checks for an update. After that, restart your computer and open Chrome again to see whether the problem is gone. If Chrome now launches or updates normally, then the damaged local update data was likely the issue. One more thing to try, especially if you have antivirus software running in the background, is to temporarily turn off antivirus protection and test Chrome again. Some security programs can mistakenly block Chrome's AppData or interfere with the installation process. If your antivirus is actively scanning or restricting browser files, it may trigger error code 1. If you decide to test this, disable antivirus protection only briefly and only long enough to confirm whether it is the source of the problem, then immediately turn it back on after testing. If Chrome works with antivirus off, you may need to add Chrome to the allowed list or exceptions in your security software so it can update normally without being blocked. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Chrome error code 1 are reinstalling Chrome over the existing version, restarting the Google Update services, disabling conflicting extensions, clearing the local AppData update folders, and checking whether antivirus software is interfering. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next, because this error can have more than one cause. The good news is that these methods are all safe, practical, and designed to repair Chrome without wiping your personal browsing data. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful computer repair guides. And if you still have questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.